Self-driving tech company Aurora Innovation reporting Q2 numbers, sort of, moments ago, saying it expects total liquidity to be enough to get to its planned commercial launch by the end of next year. Those shares moving higher, about 4% in the after-hours session. Joining the show is Chris Urmson, co-founder and CEO of Aurora. Chris, good to see you. So this is a market that, today at least, was kind of risk off for companies that have growth, and in your case, product and revenue in the future. But you also just did this $850 million raise that I imagine puts you in a pretty good position. Analysts seem to think so. Tell us how things are progressing and what you expect to happen now in the end of next year.
Yeah, John, great to see you again. Thanks for having me on. No, you're right. In this market, given the risk-averse nature that investors have, we see it as a huge endorsement that the folks were willing to come together with us, and we're excited to invest in what we're doing. Over the next year, we're going to be validating the work that we have with the Aurora driver, get to the point where we're confident that it can drive by itself without people on board the trucks, and then next year we intend to launch. And between now and then, we'll continue to grow the number of loads we pull for our customers out in Texas.
Yeah, right now, 2 lanes in Texas. You're doing this, and part of the question is how many lanes, how many different roadways are going to be open to you? How soon? What are some of the legal hurdles ahead for that? And talk about what your feedback is from the likes of PACCAR, Toyota, FedEx, Uber Freight, the folks that you're working with.
Yeah, so the great news is that in the vast majority of the United States, if we were confident in the safety of our trucks today, we could put them on the roads and have them operate without drivers. So there's very little in the way of legal headway in front of us. And for customers like the FedExes, ultimately Ubers, Uber Freights of the world, this is incredibly exciting. This is a technology that can both help their top line and drive down their bottom line in a hugely meaningful way.
How has the conversation, if it has, shifted with the tightness in the labor market right now? I mean, UPS came pretty close to a strike. Not going to happen, but there's still tension out there.
Yeah, we certainly see that happening, and I don't know the details of what's happening there. But what I do know is that, first, there's been a kind of a structural shortage of drivers in the United States for going back decades, and it's going to just get worse in the future. And so for our customers, that ability to tap into a sustainable, reliable source of driving to serve their businesses is huge. And the opportunity to improve the quality of life. Well, truck driving is a really important, noble job. It's also a really difficult job. And truck drivers are 10 times as likely to die on the job as the average American. And so we see the opportunity both through our customers and through society of this technology having a huge impact in the world.
Yeah. Chris, it's Morgan. We got the news a couple days ago that Waymo, Alphabet's autonomous vehicle unit, is pulling back from autonomous trucking. It's going to focus more heavily on ride hail and passenger. Canaccord Genuity basically saying this is your market to lose, given the fact that we've seen other folks who are in autonomous trucking maybe run out of cash, file for bankruptcy, or just cut down their business operations dramatically. How are you able to do this? I guess break down the economics for me of how you're able to do this and crack this code when others have tried and failed.
Yeah, and first, I think it's an incredibly time for automated vehicles across the market. It's amazing what companies like Cruise and Waymo are doing in moving people through the world. In trucking, it's a bit of a different problem, and we've made some really important strategic bets that are paying off. Things like investing in a proprietary LiDAR technology. This is a way we can see the world that really unlocks range. This is a bet we made 5 years ago that we're really seeing come to fruition now. Work we're doing in simulation, how we're able to test more rapidly than people were able to do in the past, and how that helps drive innovation. And I think as we tell that story to investors, as our team, kind of gets energized by it, it's just increasing our momentum. So we're, it's a really exciting time for us as a company with the landscape clearing and the path in front of us becoming ever more clear.